You can quickly add a note within a drawing by coming into the Annotation tab and choosing the Note option. Then if you select out an edge, it'll automatically attach a leader. And then you can type in whatever note that you want to it. And once you click away, it'll allow you to add multiple notes and connect these to different parts of the model. You can also change the way this is displayed. You can change the leader style, as well as how the leader attaches to the text. And the pointer as well. And we can change the leader style as well as the weight. Add a border if we want. And within a note, we can also link to properties. So once I add this in, if I want to bring in a property, for example, the created date, I can add that in. I can also add in custom properties if I have any that exist. And I could also add in the view scale, for example, if I wanted. One use of that option is that if you have multiple configurations for your part, you can label the configurations with notes. And as you update the name of the configuration, the note will update as well. You can also save out a note or save out the style. And there's options for creating linear note patterns. As well as circular note patterns. But that's how you add notes into drawings.